So what does it mean to us outside of the BARM, especially the general population, the Filipino people? The BARM election is supposed to be the culmination of the peace agreement. That's exactly what it's supposed to be. You have two tracks, the political track, which ends with an election, establishment of the Bangsamoro Parliament and an election. Then you have the normalization track. This is the conversion of MILF fighters into peace-loving members of our society. Now, the two need to meet together and needs to culminate in a election. Ang problema, one side is slower than the other. So here in Congress, because of our leader, Speaker Martin Romualdez, we've done everything that we can so that the political track will be provided for. The needs of the Bangsamoro people will be provided for as far as legislation is concerned. But the normalization track, that's slow. Hanggang ngayon, there has been delays in converting MILF fighters into being decommissioned to peace-loving citizens. And this is where Congress needs to work hand in hand with our leaders within the Bangsamoro.